Hindsight is an all-in-one competitive intelligence platform powered by AI agents. Our AI agents cover the competitive intelligence workflow from end to end. That's everything from researching your competitors and finding publicly available information, analyzing your sales data like your calls and your CRM, creating marketing assets like battle cards and one-pagers, and helping your sales team win more deals. Let's take a look at how Hindsight does all of this. So first, Hindsight becomes an expert in your competitive landscape by researching your competitors every day and monitoring them for updates. For every competitor that you add into our platform, Hindsight's going to do a couple of things. One, it's going to look at their entire sitemap and documentation site to really understand their products and their differentiators versus you. We can use this to build very detailed and nuanced feature comparison charts. Hindsight's also going to monitor things like news, new reviews, articles, and things like that, social posts, marketing kind of campaigns to understand competitor strategy and just help your team stay on top of things. On top of reviewing publicly available information, Hindsight also reviews your sales data to extract competitive insights from like your team's calls, Salesforce notes and things like that. You can connect your CRM, a tool like Gong, and our AI will review it, do things like tag your competitors for you, so you don't need to rely on your sales team to input that stuff into your CRM, and also extract useful quotes, tag them for sentiment, and do a bunch of useful visualizations for you. So we're basically turning a bunch of unstructured information coming in from your sales team and turning it into insights that your team can use. You can see here that we're tagging from things like call transcripts, win-loss interviews, notes, CRM fields, and emails, and a few other things. Once Hindsight has this information from publicly available sources and your sales data, we can use that to do a bunch of useful things. So one, we can build battle cards that always stay up to date using like the latest information. We can build feature comparisons, as I mentioned earlier. We can build landing pages, one-pagers, and a bunch of other useful assets like newsletters and reports. Using our chat, you can basically get any type of output that you want using this data. Our win-loss dashboard is really useful for executives and other team members that want like insights into how things are trending versus your competitors and what's driving wins and losses. For sales teams that rely on competitive insights to help them win deals, Hindsight's Slack integration is really helpful. Your sales team can chat with our Slack bot to get answers based on your data within Hindsight, get personalized coaching and guidance for the different deals that they're working on, and also get alerts and newsletters on what's going on in your competitive landscape, basically helping your team become market experts and allowing you to provide more help and guidance to prospects as they're coming to your team. If you're interested in learning more or have any questions, feel free to reach out and let us know. We're happy